But guys, in today's video, we're gonna be working on the Skwerl Gowdy cabin once again. We're gonna get up here on this deck and make it into a porch. We're gonna start framing up for the roof on it. Come on, let's get it done. Let me show you guys what I've been working on. My porch posts, I notched them for a 2x6 beam that's sitting there. There'll be another 2x6 in front, but the one's gonna sit in the notch there. And I put these braces on. There's a little trick for you. If you're setting these things by yourself, you go ahead and screw the top. After, you know, of course, you got your post attached to your floor. You go ahead and screw your top with one screw. Then here at the bottom, you run your screw through where just the tip's sticking through where it scratches on your block that you're gonna screw into. That way you got some friction there. You can take your level and lean this thing, get it dead level, and kind of stick it with that screw so you can get down there and put your screw in. You can do it by yourself. It's always easier with another hand, but you can work and get things done without that. Cause my ground man's down there handing stuff up, so it worked out good. Now we just got to do 4 more and get it going. All right, guys, it's about to rain on us, so we're not gonna finish framing this roof up on this porch, but this is what we got. We got the beam across the top of our columns. We got creative over here where this protected tree is. And it's actually leaning back towards the building more than we wanted it, so we flashed part of our beam so it won't rot, because the roof metal's gonna have to stop right there and give it growing space. And we're just gonna let our layout fall out behind that tree, since we got to do some creative framing behind it anyway. Hopefully tomorrow we can get up here and put the slats on top and get some roofing metal on it, have a porch. Well, another day's come to an end. We got a little something done out here in the heat. Got the fly rafter on this end and got the fascia board over to the tree. Gotta get back up there. It's a little slow going. It's so high because you're looking at, I don't know, 16, 18 feet just to the bottom edge there of the porch. So we got to get up there, and it's just me working off the top of the ladder. Got to get up there and put the fascia board on this side and the fly rafter on this end. I already have the blocking in there that the rafter is going to hang on in place. So it's just got to be cut and put up there. And then the porch will be ready for metal, the roof anyway. I'll still come back in here. We're gonna put some 45-degree bracing, kind of like these that are on the bottom here. We're gonna do that on each side of each post to brace everything off, but more than anything, give it that western feel. And then we got to come back down here and put some X bracing on underneath the porch and go back and add the lags that we haven't put into the beam there yet. Tie it all together strong. Then we get that done. The next project is to move way up top here. This front wall, parapet wall, is only about 6 inches tall now. It goes up 8 foot wide and 2 or 3 foot tall there in the center. It's part of the design. We got to get there and do that. I want to do that before I put the metal on the roof, before it gets real slick to walk on. So we have to do any nailing off from there. I can stand on it and reach it. I thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in their lives. Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior. Feel free to reach out to us at the email in the description below with any prayer requests or questions you may have. God bless.